Go ahead.
What?
You can start.
Your eyes is there. Okay, I'm Esther. I'm Esther Marleen. I live around the corner.
What about if you say
I'm
Esther?
Esther. How, that's not my name. I will make the tote bag from scratch. I will do I'll make the tote bag from scratch. I've sketched out something here. That's actually my pattern. These are the both colors I had in mind. I think I like this one better. This one I already have made a fanny pack of, so I think I will decide for this one. I like about sewing that you make something, or that I can make something out of not nothing, because I have already the fabric, but I do it how I want it to be. Don't we have 2 batteries?
We do, but I don't want to change the battery.
Why not? A tote bag is a shopper. It's a bag it's without a zipper, so it's open. You can use it for going shopping, just throwing your stuff inside, and then you have a bag full of stuff. Yeah, just a very easy bag. Very easy cut it and straight bag. Very boring, basically. For example, this one. I thought I needed a big bag. I could find it, but not exactly how I like it, with this pocket here, with another pocket there. My public speaking skills, I cannot really speak it out, the word, but they're not so good. I'm not so good at public speaking, yeah. It's so good that you're here. So good that you are here with me. And thank you that you watched the video until the end.